Hey, Anna, what you got there?
I have a text messenger.
Wait, what?
It lets you emboss your gum with emojis so you can really eat your feelings.
What kind of feelings do we got on there?
We have super happy. I don't know what a blue winky face is. That worries me a bit. Sad face, angry face, cool dude face. You have all the smiley face emojis, it looks like. Open. Gum.
Oh,
It's like a
bubble tape?
bubble tape.
Yeah. Gotta feed it.
Feed it through.
Okay.
Choose your emotions today. I'm feeling happy and cool.
Are you?
I am.
Are we?
Oh, you can't. Oh, yeah, there it is. It's very faint.
Give it a little more. Give it a little more oomph.
More oomph.
Yeah. Feeling aggressive and angry.
Oh, let's turn it to that. Angry.
Give it all you got.
Angry. Hulk angry.
It just cuts it in half now. Does it even do? Is it even on there?
You can see it.
It's there.
It's just embossed. It's like those old school embossers from the 80s.
Moment of truth. Is the gum worth the squeeze? See what I did?
Is it strawberry?
You had the packaging.
It tastes like gum.